Now I'll continue the lesson. The Central Highlands. Then come to one point, the Central Highlands. What are the varieties in this Central Highland? The Central Highlands consists of the Malwa Plateaus in the northwest and the Chota Nagpur Plateau in the northeast. Illi birutte the Central Highland elli barutte is come to Malwa Plateaus and reach to the Chota Nagpur Plateaus. The Malwa Plateau is situated between the Aravalli Hills and the Vindhya Hills. It has black soil which is very good for growing cotton and oil seeds. Malwa Plateaus and Chota Nagpur Plateaus, it's come to Aravalli Hills. Aravalli Hills having black soil. Black soil is good for growing cotton and oil seeds. Here also black soils na. So here so many people are growing that cotton and another sunflowers they are growing na. These are the oil seeds. Wheat and jawar are also grown here. Amlan Panna is Madhya Pradesh has diamond mines. Here another mines you know now already I explained you mines andre bhumi ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸಿಗೋದು minerals. These are the mines. Here some diamonds. We are not getting ready diamonds. ಅದರದ್ದು diamond ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದು ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ the minerals is there they will get here in Madhya Pradesh. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is rich in minerals like coal, iron, maize and manganese. The northern eastern part of the region has the largest coal deposit in our country. Here the Chota Nagpur Plateau will get so many minerals like iron, maize, coal and manganese will get. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಭೂಮಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. They are the northern plateaus are rich in minerals. Important coal mines are present in Giridih, Bihar, Jharia and Bokaro, Jharkhand and Raniganj, West Bengal. These are the places we get mines here. Many parts of the Chota Nagpur Plateaus are covered with forests. They provide as various types of wood and other forest products. Here so many forests also there. They provide so many different wood to as and they are produced other forest also. Then come to the Deccan Plateaus. Second point is the Deccan Plateau. Let's read the what ಏನೇನು ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ will read this. The Deccan Plateau is located to the south of the Satyapura mountains between the eastern and the western Ghats. It is the Deccan Plateau is mentioned as Satpura Mountains. Satpura Mountains ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು the Deccan Plateaus and western Ghats. It slopes to the east. Land surface of this region is highly uneven and the soil is also not very fertile. Large deposit of iron and maize are found in this region. In this Deccan Plateau compared to the Central Highland soil, this soil is not that much of fertile. Central Plateau ನಲ್ಲಿ black soil ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Black soil, but here we will not get that much of fertile soil, so we will not grow any seeds or any crops here. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ minerals ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. There are a number of rivers like the Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna, the Kaveri, the Narmada and the Tapati which flow in this area and fall in the Bay of Bengal. Here is the Deccan Plateaus ನಲ್ಲಿ there are so many rivers will fall. Mahanadi, Kaveri, Krishna, Tapati and another one is Narmada. Narmada will flow from this and they join to the Bay of Bengal. See, Bay of Bengal is the eastern. The river in this region flow faster than the rivers of the northern plains. They form a number of waterfalls as the land is uneven here. The beautiful Jog Fall on the river Sharavati in Karnataka is the highest waterfall of this country. This one is a Jog Fall. Have you seen his Jog Fall? It is in Shivamogga, the Jog Fall. This is a Jog Falls is there. His name is a Jog. It is in Shivamogga, Karnataka. It is in Karnataka. So it is the highest Jog Fall all over India. Okay, not only Karnataka state. It is famous in all over India. It's started from Sharavati. Which river? ಯಾವ river ಇಂದ ಅದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಜೋಗ್ ಫಾಲ್? ಶರಾವತಿ river ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Tibetan plateau is the highest plateau in the world. India. Big dams have been constructed on many of these rivers to store rainwater. The Hirakund Dam, the world's highest dam, is built across the Mahanadi River in Odisha. Here is a dam. ಈಗ ಈ ರಿವರ್ ನೀರು ಈ ತರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್? Here near is which dam is there? Something dam is there. Okay children, you know dam? What is dam? Dam ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ನೀರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಜೋಗ್ ಫಾಲ್. ಜೋಗ್ ಫಾಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಶರಾವತಿ ರಿವರ್ ನೀರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶರಾವತಿ ನೀರು ಬಂದು ಇದು ಜೋಗ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಜೋಗ್ ಫಾಲ್ ತುಂಬಾ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಮಗೆ ವಿಂಟರ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೈನಿ ಸೀಸನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ನೀರು ಇದಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ರೈನ್, ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ರೈನಿ ವಾಟರ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ? ಬಟ್ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೀರು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್? ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೇರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ವಾಟರ್? ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕಟ್ತಾರೆ. ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಶೇಪ್. ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ಬೀಳಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ತರ ಗೇಟ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೇಟ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಗೇಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಈ ಗೇಟ್ಗಳು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಈ ನೀರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ನೀರು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಲೇಕ್ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. They use another one. If you store the water, they will get electricity. Current also will get. Okay, current nimge baruttalva, will get current from water only. Okay children, will get electricity from water. Another type of electricity also will get a wind electricity. Wind electricity ಯಾವ ಇರುತ್ತಾರೆ? ಈ ತರ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾರೆ. Have you seen any fan? ಈಗ on the way of Hubli there are so many fan is there. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಈ ತರ ತಿರುಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ವಿಂಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಹರ್ಡ್? ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ತರ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಬಟ್ Hirakund Dam is a famous in Odisha. All over India it is a famous. This one is a Hirakund Dam. Okay? Is built across the Mahanadi River in Odisha. The Nagarjuna Sagar Dam on the river Krishna in the Andhra Pradesh is another big dam. This dam store water for irrigation and also provide electricity. Explain it, you know, children. This another dam is there famous in India, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. It is produced for irrigation. Irrigation means agriculture. Okay? ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ವಾಟರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಇರಿಗೇಷನ್, ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ. Okay? Then Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Nagpur and Bhopal are some of the major cities of this region. Uttakamando and Kodaikanal hill stations are famous all over the world. Then Bangalore and Hyderabad, Pune, Nagpur and Bhopal are the same of the major cities in these regions. Ooty and